This is my Panasonic Blu-ray player, which I picked up to use in the bedroom, and recently I made a video about how you can unlock it to be multi-region for DVD playback, so it will play back now any DVDs from across the world. One thing that you can't do very easily is play back Blu-rays from around the world. So this is obviously set up for Europe, and I've picked up a Blu-ray, quite cheap, called Dark Skies, and that is a Region A Blu-ray, which is made for the Americas. So I'm going to see if I can get it to work on my player. First things first, let's put the disc in. Now I bought the film in question because it did come with a DVD as well as a Blu-ray disc. So this is the Blu-ray disc, and I thought if I can't play the Blu-ray disc, I've always got the DVD to play. At least until I can get hold of a multi-region Blu-ray player. So anyone who's popped one of these in will probably see a message a bit like this. This is my remote. It's not the standard one that would have come with the Blu-ray player. It's one that you would work on an older DVD player or DVD recorder. But the buttons still do the same thing. So you've got this one here, which is the function menu, and where it says direct navigator, this is like pressing top menu. So what I've found that you can do is you can press the function menu, and that brings you back out of that warning screen. Go as if you're going to start to play the disc, so press down, and at the same time, very, very quickly, well, just after, very, very quickly, start pressing the top menu button or the direct navigator button. So let's try this, and sometimes it takes a few goes to get it right, but I will persevere and see if I can load this disc. So it looks like I did it first time, and there is the disc loaded. So sometimes it takes 4 or 5 goes, but that time I did it on the first go. There you go, warning about piracy. So you can see that this is an American disc. And there you have it. That's how you can play multi-format Blu-rays. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. I'll do some more videos in the future. Bye for now.